Want to know how to customize your theme by customizer in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply open up your favorite browser and type in wordpress.com. Here you can see themes on the left hand side. Just simply select it. Now, once you've selected themes, here you can see various themes that have loaded in. You can also select its categories for more of these and much more. You can just scroll down until you find the right one. Now, once you've selected the theme, just simply, once the theme loads, head towards preview demo side on the right side right here. Now, once that is done, the preview should load. And on the right side again, here you can see try and customize. Just simply select it. Now, once you're there, here you can see the site preview popping up where you can customize it as you want, with navigation styles, spaces, templates, and much more. So you can just simply select any one of these, and now you can just customize it as you want. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.